Thank you, honey. Hey, where's my kiss? Show me yours. She's my niece. My contract is extensive and details all the aspects with the relationship with the band. So, I'm well protected with this contract. Anything can happen to me. That's why you don't see any signature, because everything lay out perfectly. Black on white. And then you can shake hands and rest assured everything's going to go smoothly. Different law which I apply to these documents, my contract. I'm dealing with international law here. Because I want to tell you, young fellow, when you get burned a few times, people take advantage of you. Yeah, dang when you learn from experience. And one thing you cannot learn, experience. And I've been through that. And I don't want to go through again.